Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 CNC spindle motor. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Square Spindle Motor ER20. Specifications. Brand name, Yofeli. Operating speed, 10 to 24,000 revolutions per minute. Drive, motor. Model number, GDZ80 by 73 2.2. Voltage, 220 volts. Calais, ER20. Power, 2.2 kW. Current, 6A. Frequency, 400 Hz. The item number 2 is G-Penny Cooled Spindle Kit. Specifications. Brand name, G-Penny machine. Operating speed, 0 to 24,000 revolutions per minute. Drive, motor. Maximum torque, 0.8 Newton meters. Size, 80 by 230 Power, 2.2 kW. Calais, ER20. Frequency, 400 Hz. Spindle clamp, 80 mm. Inverter type, 220V 2.2 kW 400 Hz. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 4-axis NEMA 23. Specifications. Brand name, Jsuin. Commutation, brush. Model number, NEMA 23. Motor shaft, 6.35 mm/8 mm. Driver, TB6600 DM542 DM556. Power supply, 350 watts. 36 volts, 9.7A. Software, Mach 3. Max radial force, 75 N 20 mm from the flange. Shaft radial play, 0.02 max, 450 grams load. Temperature rise, 80 C max. Max axial force, 15 N. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.